Hello everyone, Roger here. So our contractor installed our locks upside down. I'm quickly going to show you in just a few minutes how you could fix this yourself. You can see that the lock is upside down, which is pretty inconvenient and uncomfortable to lock and unlock. It does still work perfectly fine, but you know, it's confusing. But here we're going to fix this in just a few minutes. You'll be pleased to know that the mechanism actually allows you to flip-flop this and install it on a left-hand or right-hand opening door. So here's how to do this. Just prop the door open with something light and easy. All you really need is a Phillips screwdriver. If you have a drill or an impact gun, this will speed things up. Just make sure that the impact gun is on the lowest setting, so that way you don't strip any screws or bolts. So the screws are now loose. This is perfect. Brownie points for doing this one-handed like me because I'm filming. But next you're going to undo these screws as well. Great, screws are now out. You can now remove this. And we are going to flip-flop this around. So here's that. And now this part will come out. Okay, as you can see, it's currently upside down. So we're going to flip this right side up. We'll just leave it here for now. And very simply, you'll just pull this out, turn it around, push it back in, and now just reassemble everything. Next, you have your keyhole right side up, and you are going to insert this. Beautiful, looking good. Make sure everything lines up and just insert. You can do a quick test to see that this is working, and it so is. And you will just reinsert the screws. Always try to hand thread the screws so you can prevent any possible stripping. Great, all screws are hand threaded in and everything is upright as it should be. Now just screw everything together. Again, extra brownie points for doing this one-handed because I'm filming. Screws should be hand tight, so if you do it any tighter you could potentially ruin the threads in the wood and strip it, so you definitely want to avoid that. But that looks good. You can do a quick little check and make sure it's stable. Be careful not to make these too tight, otherwise it might put too much pressure on the latch and it won't open or close properly. But in this case, this is perfect. This is exactly what we want. And our lock is right side up. Also, throughout this process, if you have some oil or lubricant, it would help to keep your mechanism nice and healthy. But if we take our blocker out of the way, and that is it. Beautiful. Alright, a huge tip is to not lock yourself out. Yeah, okay, well that works too well. Alright, back in here to the scene of the crime. That is it. Your lock is now reversed and in proper working fashion. If anyone's wondering, this is a quick set residential lock. Most locks, no matter the brand really, should have this type of mechanism which allows you to reverse it. And that is it, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. This has been a quick little tutorial on how to get your lock right side up and to get the mechanism reversed so that the door, whether left-handed or right-handed, locks or unlocks. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd be happy to help and respond.